In this video, we will understand how to plot monthly performance table and understand the each parameters. So click on settings of indicator. In this section, table plot and label settings, click the show monthly performance table. When you click, please wait for some time. You can see the tables at the right bottom corner. So in this table, the left side is the showing year 2023, 2024 and so on. And this is the month wise January to December monthly performance values you can see. This is the yearly P&L, so it's calculated from the 2023 year and it's showing the entire profit or loss value. This is the 2024 profit and loss, and this is the net for entire 2 year. So right side, this is the other parameters that you can also count for if your strategy is perfect or not. So this is the percentage profitable, 36.47%. So meaning of that, if you get 100 trades, so only 36.47 trades are in profitable. The rest trades are in loss. What is profit factor? So profit factor is the total profit gained by the total winning trades divided by the total loss by the lost trades. This is the total trades. So total 510 trades are happened between July to August 2024. Among them, 186 trades are winning, W means winning, and 324 trades are losing trades. So among 510 trades, 186 trades are winning, so that is 36%, 36.47% trades are profitable. This is the max drawdown. So drawdown is the continuous loss during the entire period of time. Max run up. So this is the continuous profit at a time. And this is the initial capital. So initial capital you can set from the setting in property tabs. The first one is initial capital. If you set 10,000, so it will show you a 10,000 here. And because of this value, the bracket percentage are vary depending upon the initial capital. So it counts on the basis of the initial capital. If you change the capital, then your percentage value will also change. The last is backtest date. So backtest date is from July to 2023. So July to 2023 to August 2024. So how to calculate, how to understand this value? So what is the meaning of 831 and 1136? So you are plotting on the Bank Nifty index chart. So this is the spot chart. So you are getting the points, not in the rupees. So this is the, in one trade, whatever the suppose if you see the strategy tester, here is the list of trades. You can see this is the trade, the last 510 number of trades. Okay, so it's entered at 51,450 and it's exited on 51,425. So it lost almost 24 points. So it's showing in the points. So if you want to trade options on Bank Nifty spot chart, so you understand that you loss or gain in points. So if you want to correlate with the option price, how to correlate? So generally if you get 100 points, if you're traded in the at the money strike, you will get around the 50 points. Okay, so almost you have to divide the half of this point. Suppose if your total gets 6,400 points, so you have to divide by the 2. So it is almost 3,200 points in options you will get. And this is also dependent on the volatility index VIX and other IV parameters and your expiry dates, whether it is a nearby expiry or it's far expiry. So all are dependent upon the options, that's alpha, beta, gamma, delta values. So it's generally counting as a only points. So do not mistake with this value as a amount. So if you get 100 points, almost you divide by the 2, so you get 50 points, and you have to multiply with the lot. Suppose the Bank Nifty, the one lot is 15, so you have to multiply with the 15 into 50. So by that way you can count the approx profit from the spot chart. You can also trade options from the Bank Nifty future. Okay, so you can trade future as well as option from the Bank Nifty future chart. So here it is showing the higher value because in trading view future chart is already counted with the lot size. Okay, so here you are showing the value as a including the points multiplication with the lot size. So here it is minus 60,000 loss, entire loss. Okay, so what is the meaning of the minus 60,000? So if you divide the 60,000 point divided by 15, you will get the almost points. So uh, so with future chart, please do not misunderstand with this. This is the actual money if you are trading in the future. So you will get around 16,000 minus 16,000 loss if you trade with these settings. Suppose if I change the settings and let's see, it's a 7.3, and this is the indicator settings, and you can change when you change the settings, you will see the different profit and loss. Let me change the time frame. So it is the 15 minutes time frame, and if you trade with the 7.3 ATR settings, so you will get around from May 2021 to August 2024, you will get around 2,99,342 rupees. So total 3 lakh rupees profit if you traded with the one lot. So this is the in the rupees. In spot chart you will getting the points, not in the rupees. Here it is already counted with the point with this one lot. Okay, so when you change from the property tab with the order size contract to, so it's getting double. So it's a point multiplied with the two lots, so almost 30. Okay, so whatever the point is multiplied with the 30, and you will get 5,98,684 rupees. Okay, so please understand with the when you trade with the future chart, so it will showing the actual money with the lot size. So if you want to trade from the options, okay, so it is already multiplied with the points, so you just divide by the 2. If you divide by the 2,99,000, so it's a almost 1.5 lakh rupees. 1.5 lakh rupees you will get. But you can understand the option is not the exactly you will get the half points that you captured in future chart or even a spot chart. So all are dependent upon the momentum, VIX, IV, delta, gamma, everything. Okay, so by that way you can understand this. So and third way, you can also trade the options directly by applying the future option chart. Suppose I applying the 51,500. This is the fine. So if you traded, suppose if you traded with the some settings, okay. So this is the 15-minute chart, and suppose if you traded with the suppose 1-minute chart, okay, and you know that the 51,500 you are not traded from the last 5 or 10 days. You will trade somewhere days, only some days when you the trade price is coming through on the particular day. Okay, so suppose 51,500 call you have traded on the second August. Okay, so only 2nd August it is profitable or loss, because in option trading when you place the option chart, okay, and if you are doing for option buy, that will only give you the long trade, not the short trade. Okay, so this is the only options from here. This is the option buying. Okay, so if you choose option buying, it will show you only the long entry. Okay, and when you choose option selling, it will show you the only short trade if you are option seller. Okay, and if you trade the both, that means you are buying as well as selling, buying on the long side and selling on the short side. Okay, and by that way you are selecting. So option buy in a second. If you want to understand whether the this is the profit or loss second day, you can just simply I set the date on here, start date, let's say it's at 2nd August. Okay, only 2nd August 9:15. So you can see whether the trade is loss or profit, and I will also bound the timing also here, 9:15 to 15:30. Okay, if suppose if you this is the 1 minute, so you can trade up to 15:15. Let's say what happened. Okay, so it's showing that if you traded the options with this setting, if you trade it with this setting, it's a okay, this is the 2023, let's say 2024 August and 2nd August. Okay, so it's showing if you trade it with this setting, you will get almost 20 points here. Okay, and if you suppose traded, let me check, 9:15. Okay, so we are doing option buying only, so there are no trade furthers. Okay, so if you suppose trading the option selling, okay, so this is option selling. So in option selling, if you set with the same settings, you will get in loss almost 9 points. So depending upon your setting, you will, if you use both settings, then what happen, then almost you get 10 points. And suppose it's option buying, and let me change the settings with some other values like let's say 10 to 10 3. So it is in almost 62 point loss. Let's say it's a 3 3. So by changing the variables you will check your profit and loss. Okay, so if you set 3 and 3, then you will get almost 30 points in 4 trades, total 4 trades, in which 2 trades are winning and 2 trades are loss. Okay, that's why your percentage profitable is 50% and your profit factor is 1.45. So by that way you can entirely you can check the this monthly performance.